An example of a good note-taking system is the Cornell note-taking system. As you can see from the picture here, right, you've got your title at the top, which you'll be doing before the lesson, right, because you know what the lesson is going to be about. The main section of the page is the bit in black. So here you'll be taking notes as you listen to the lecturer. Once you've finished the lesson, on the left hand side, right, what I would do is put down questions or put down headings, right? So divide your notes into questions or headings. So my question 1 could be why take notes, and I give you 3 reasons. My second question could be how to take notes, and I gave you 7 tips. So, you know, that would be how I would take notes for this particular lesson that you've just listened to. And then at the blue section at the bottom, which is the summary, is the final section, which you do after some time. So you do the black bit and the red bit within the day, and then you give yourself some time, but definitely before the next lesson. So whether that's a week later or the next day, do it, you know, after some time. Summarize using your notes. Summarize, and then you have your summary paragraph. How you can also use this, as I mentioned before, to review your notes interactively. You can also use this to do that. What you would do is you cover up the bit in black, right? So you fold your paper, so all you see is the bit in red where it says keywords and questions. So that's all you see. So now if you have yourself a set of questions, so for example, my 2 questions are why take notes and how can I take better notes? These are my questions. So without looking at my notes, because I've covered it up now, try to answer, right? Give me the 3 reasons why I should be taking notes. Give me the 7 tips of how to take better notes, right? And this allows you to interact and actually engage with your notes, and it will help with your learning experience.